Hello everyone. Today I'm talking to you about how a group of 5 mechanical engineering graduates can make good money from starting or from running a mechanic workshop. I'm going to give you a breakdown of what I mean and how the process is going to go. My name is Dr. Olubengadetutun. I'm a university lecturer in Nigeria, and I bring you information that is going to better your life. This is part of my own personal community service that I want to give you information that's going to transform your life. Now, back to the topic of today. How a group of 5 mechanical engineering graduates can make money and even become wealthy from running a mechanic workshop. The mechanic workshop I'm talking about is going to be different from the normal or the usual mechanic workshop that is known. Is going to give more value. Let me start by giving you a breakdown. Mechanical engineering graduates or mechanical engineering, anyone that have gone through mechanical engineering has knowledge about how machines work. A vehicle is a machine. A lorry is a machine. And we have many other machines that are available. Mechanical engineers should be able to work on a car engine, losing it and couple it back and deliver it to its owner in good working condition. But what we find out today is that most mechanical engineering graduates, they learn more of the theory and a little of practical. I know it is not only motor vehicles that mechanical engineering covers, but my focus in this video today is on motor mechanic workshops. Now, let me give you a breakdown of how it will go. After the 5 of you have graduated, you can meet yourself at any point. After this video, one of you can start looking for other 4 people. It's difficult for people to come together to form a group to start a business in Nigeria. And there's a limit to which one individual can do in business. That is why I am interested in 5 graduates of mechanical engineering coming together to start a mechanic workshop. The first thing you're going to do is to come together and agree that this is your goal. So for the next 1 year, you have not started your own workshop. You will not start your own workshop for the next 1 year. In the first 1 year, you are going to agree to go and learn. So the 5 of you will distribute yourself to 5 mechanic workshops. And that way you are going to learn how to repair vehicles. You sign an agreement with them that you are going to be there for 8 to 9 months. I can bet you with your knowledge in school, with your rigor in school, you are going to learn everything you need to learn in 6 months. The reason is because you are used to attending lectures in school, and you attend lectures on time. You do your assignments, you do many other things. This means that when you are at work, you get to work early. What you did yesterday, you are already revising, looking at the vehicle and looking at how it's going to go. Many things, I can even bet you that before you leave the place, you will be teaching them some theory and also in the process of practical, because some of the things you've been taught in class, you'll be seeing them real life in the mechanic workshop. So you distribute yourself to 5 different mechanic workshops. These mechanic workshops are not idle or non-busy mechanic workshop. Look for very, very busy mechanic workshop in any city you are in Nigeria. If you are not in a city where you are and all the mechanic workshops around you are not busy, they are dry workshops. They are not workshops that after one vehicle is going, other vehicles are waiting from morning till night. There's one vehicle that the mechanic is working on. After one vehicle, another vehicle. That is the kind of workshop you should go to. If there's none like that in the city or in the town where you live or in the village where you live, go to a town or a city where you have busy mechanic workshop. Pay the man the agreed sum of money and agree with him. Inform him you are a graduate already. We just want to learn this for 6 months and move ahead. Now, all of you will learn everything about what the man is doing. And in 9 months, all of you will come out together. By that time, you have learned everything you need to learn. Remember, you are 5. So you learn from this workshop. This one learned from workshop A. This one learned from workshop B. This one learned from workshop C. This one learned from workshop D. This one learned from workshop E. So you all learn from different workshops. And based on your learning from different workshops, you are going to come together with different level of experiences and different knowledge. You will know the basics, and you will have some differences in knowledge, which is going to be a plus for you, because now you are coming together as a group. They are coming together as a consortium, starting a single mechanic workshop. Now, one other thing you're going to do is that you are going to buy a car scanner. A car scanner. During that time you are learning, you'll be making some change, because by that time you know how to do some things before you finish. You'll be already making some money. So don't just go solo and go on your own at that point. Instead, still keep to the plan and come together. Now, when you come together, buy a good car scanner, not anyhow car scanner, not small car scanner, big car scanner. Buy a big car scanner. After you've bought a big car scanner, the next thing you should do is that you should now open a good mechanic workshop. If you have the means, you can buy or you can lease a bare piece of land. And then when you lease the bare piece of land, you can do temporary structures made of maybe glass or whatever that people can sit in. Then there is space for the mechanic to work. Because of rains and the sun, you can make a canopy over your head. You make a decent canopy. Your mechanic workshop should be painted. So you are going to invest in that also. Painted mechanic workshop, not the normal mechanic workshop that is just like a dustbin. No, your house should be painted. Painted. If there are walls to the left and to the right, plaster the wall, paint it, design it with different designs of cars and car parts. Then have your car scanner. When anybody comes to fix a car in your place, put the scanner on, and then you scan the car, and you will see what the fault is, and then you charge for using the scanner, you will charge for making the repairs, and then you do this, and you are going to make stupendous money. People will be trooping in from everywhere to come and repair their car in your workshop. Now, I forgot to add this, that the 5 of you that went to different places don't learn exactly the same type of car type. But 2 or 3 out of the 5 of you should learn Toyota, because Toyota cars are so common in Nigeria. Then one should learn Mercedes-Benz. Then another one can learn Honda, can specialize in Honda. So one is specialist in Toyota cars. 2 or 3 are specialists in Toyota cars. One is a specialist in Mercedes. One is a specialist in Honda cars. One is a specialist maybe again in Volkswagen cars. So with this, you are going to be making a good amount of money from your workshop, and you are 5, and you unite together, and every money you make, it belongs to the group. It belongs to the group. Remember, you are a group. Don't look at it and me. If you go separately, you are going to make less amount of money. But because you are together as a group, you make more money as a group. So you have to keep the group so that you can keep making more money. Because the temptation will come that I'm doing more work than this one. But the role that one is also playing is also important. So everybody in the group is important. So every money you make, they pay to a particular account. They don't pay cash. They will not pay cash. They will not pay cash. So they pay to a particular account. You can have an accountant, or one of you can serve as an accountant if you cannot pay for an accountant yet. So you have your POS where they can do the account, where they can do the transfer. You have your account, you have your POS, you have your services where when they come and they want to make payment, it's easy to make payment. Once people know that you have your standards, they bring their cars, they receive good attention and good time, they will keep referring their family and friends to your workshop. And because you have graduates, you reach out to companies, your friends, your teachers, your lecturers, your contacts that know you are graduates. They will keep referring people to you. They say these people know what they are doing. They are graduates and they are mechanic. Can you imagine? It will become talk of the town. And you will do the work and you will be smiling to the bank. I bet you, if 5 of you that study mechanical engineering can do this, can come together and do this, and you are going to be smiling to the bank. I am going to talk to you about another career and about what 5 graduates in another field can do in my next video. My name again is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun. I'm a university lecturer in Nigeria, and I'm seeing a lot of things. And this is one of the things I see that graduates can come to do. And by so doing, you also can become an employer of labor, not just a poor employer of labor, a rich and wealthy employer of labor. I am going to talk to you in the next video. Until then, bye for now. Please subscribe to this channel, share the link of this video, and this video popping up right now is the next you need to see. Thank you.